Tilt-up construction can be compared to an old-fashioned barn raising, where you can see a building come to life in a very short time. Tilt-up construction simply means that walls and other concrete elements of a building are actually formed, poured on site, cured, and tilted up into place. Tilt-up construction has grown steadily since the 1940s, when it gained popularity during the post-World War II construction boom. Most early tilt-up buildings were warehouses. Today, tilt-up is used in a myriad of different building types, ranging from schools to churches to offices to hotels. Many different types of finishes are available, including paints and stains to pigmented concrete. Cast in brick and stone, as well as innovative shapes, allow tilt-up buildings to be attractive and distinctive. Tilt-up construction offers many benefits to the owner and the building team. Economy. Tilt-up buildings not only save construction budgets, but they also maximize operating and investment dollars. Speed of construction. Detailed engineering and assembly line productivity offer savings in labor, materials, and time. Building quality. Consteel tilt-up buildings combine the latest technologies with experienced design and construction professionals to deliver optimal quality. Floor utilization. Column-free walls permit unrestricted door location and unobstructed rack spacing. Design freedom and versatility. Since concrete arrives on the site in liquid form, every building can be custom designed to meet an owner's needs, both in function and appearance. Thermal economy. The natural heat sink properties of concrete, combined with a variety of insulation systems, minimize energy costs. Concrete also provides soundproofing. Tilt-up buildings are fire resistant. Financing. Because of their lasting value, tilt-up buildings are a preferred investment in the eyes of lending institutions. The tilt-up process requires organization and collaboration on the building site. Tilt-up is done in an assembly line fashion, with each step completed before the next one begins. During the whole process, the crew is focused on safety. First, the project site is prepared and the floor slab is poured and cured early in the process. The floor slab will serve as the casting bed for the wall panels. Next, the construction crew assembles the panel forms on the slab. The panels are high-quality plywood or fiberboard that are joined together and will serve as a mold for the concrete. They provide the panel's exact shape and size, including doors and windows. The panels can also include style accents called reveals. Studs and attachment plates are located within the form for embedding in the concrete. These panels are designed to fit together properly. The third step is spraying a bonding agent onto the form's surfaces to prevent the cast concrete from bonding with the form. This chemical allows the cast element to separate from the casting surface once it is cured. This is a critical step to ensure a successful panel. Next, a rebar grid is constructed inside the forms. The rebar size and spacing is specified by the engineer. Plastic chairs elevate the rebar and ensure the proper thickness for the panels. The rebar is carefully tied together to guarantee stability. After the rebar is completed, concrete is poured into the forms, filling the desired thickness, surrounding all steel inserts, embedded features, and rebar. The crew smooths out the concrete to ensure a clean, attractive, level surface. After the concrete dries and cures, the wooden forms are removed. Next, the construction crew connects the form to a large crane with cables that hook into the inserts. Then, the crane lifts or tilts up the panel from the slab into a vertical position above the footings. The crew helps guide the panel into position. The crane sets it into place. The braces connect the panel to the slab. Then, the cables are disconnected from the crane. This process is repeated until all panels have been tilted up and bolted into place. Once all the panels are erected, the crew applies finishes to the walls with sandblasting or paint. The roof is then installed and the interior work can then begin. Tilt-up construction is truly an economical, efficient method of construction. Consider tilt-up construction for your next project.